Hello, good morning. I want to show you how to set your Autocad drawing board screen. First of all, we go to our system in our desktop and click on the Autocad 16 icon. Let's wait patiently while it loads. Yes, it will take a little bit of time before it finishes its loading. Wow, as you can see the instruction. This is a fresh Autocad software that has been installed in the system. It has not been used. Now when the system the software opens like this on your drawing board screen, the next thing you do is you see the question that it has there. Is it, if you click on yes, I would like to participate in the customer involvement program. That means they will always send you notification every now and then. But if you don't want, you can just click on no and just click your OK. Now it's done. Look at what you do next. Now you go to this icon here, up here. You click on it. As it opens, go to new. Click on new. And watch the instruction it will bring out. Once it brings out this instruction, the next thing you click on is on this icon, Autocad. Click on it and then click your open, so that proper Autocad drawing board opens on your screen. Now as it is like this, the next thing you have to do is to change the size of this your cursor by right clicking. When you right click, you find it, you scroll down to the instruction option there, click on option. Now look at the dialog instruction box that just opened. Now go to display, click on display. Once it comes to display, look at this cursor here. Move it to 50. Watch as the figure increase to 50. Continue moving it to 50. Yes. Yes. Then the next thing you do is open and save. Click on it. No. Publish. Alright, go to selection. Go to selection. You can see the pick box size is very tiny. It means once you click, when you highlight an object, the pick box will be very small. Now increase it a bit. Increase it a bit. I think this is sizable. Then go to grip size. Increase the grip size to be as big as the pick box size. Increase it a little bit. That's okay. Now click on apply, then OK. Now watch your cursor. Then the next thing to do here is to arrange the informations on your drawing board screen. Now the next thing to do here is to set your drawing board to bring out the two commands. And what you do, you move up to this icon here, click on this tiny icon and scroll down to show menu bar. Click on that show menu bar. You will see the menu bar will just appear on the top of the screen. You can see it there. Now there are other things that are very important for you to use when designing with this Autocad drawing board. There are other two commands that are needed, like this draw. I'm sure you know this is Autocad 2016. Now to design with this drawing board, you'll find it a little bit difficult operating on the commands. So what you have to do, you have to arrange some other icons, some other drawing board commands that are necessary for you to have a free and easy design. So you go up here on this tool, click on tool. Now on this tool, scroll down to toolbars. These are the things that are missing. These toolbars that you need to arrange on your drawing board screen. These are the things you have to bring back to bring out. Now on these toolbars, you scroll down to, you see, you have your Autocad. Now in this your Autocad, you can pick on 3D navigation, click, and you see this toolbar appear here. Now right click on it and start bringing other ones out. Start bringing the rest of the icons out, the toolbars out. Now you can see, having bring out all the toolbars that you need in your design. The next thing to do is to choose the actual toolbars that you need. For instance, you are preparing a 2D design. It's not all the bars, the toolbars that you bring out. There are ones that will be necessary for your 2D designs and the ones that are necessary for it. So you choose those ones. Like, I want to arrange this drawing board screen for a 2D design. In that case, I'm going to pick some of these bars, and other ones that I don't need, that are necessary for the 2D designs, I will off them, like this. See this? I'll need this. I'll need this. You can see I have my match property, so I'm gonna make use of it. Like find text, I don't need it. I will take it off. Look at this other one, like this. Take this one off. Take this off. Take this off. Take this off. You continue taking them off, the ones you don't need, till you have a freer drawing board screen. Now, having finished eliminating the toolbars that you don't need, the next thing you do is you arrange the rest of the toolbars to the positions you want them to be. Like this, I will pick on this, drag him up here. Now the next one that follows is this. Drag this one and place next to it. After that, you drag this one. Then the next one that follows it is this. Then you drag this one, place here, take this one, place here, you take this one, place here, then take this, take this one as well, and also this one. See what it looks like. Now this one will go off, but what you have to do first is use it for your snap setting. Click on it. Now look at what you have here. Snap grid is okay. Polar tracking, object snap. Just go to this object snap and say, and click on select all. Once you click on select all, click OK. That is done. You can now off this icon. And this space here, this space that is left here, is for your other material. Like, look at here, you have quick calculator, you have your properties. Click on your properties. Once it appears here, drag it. Yes. You drag it, then reduce the size. Now, having done that, you also click on tool palette window. Click on it. It will also appear. Drag it also and place beside here. Now scroll it down a little bit. Reduce it a little bit so that now you have a set drawing board. But the next thing to do is, for your dimension, for your designing, you have to set the limits on your drawing board screen. the limits of your drawing board screen. That's the next thing you do. Now to do that, what you do is click on construction line. Click on construction line. Make sure your auto mode is on. Having drawn your construction line, click on offset. Set command, type 150. Enter. Having done that, the next thing to do is go to your zoom real time, press down your mouse on it, go to your zoom window, press down your mouse on it, move down to zoom out. Continue to click on your zoom out while the offset you did start shrinking. Watch out as it shrinks. Look at that 150 offset you did as it's shrinking. It's coming closer. Now at this stage you stop clicking on it, then go to your view, move down to toolbar, your display, move to US icon, move down to origin, click on that origin. That returns your UCA icon back to its origin. Highlight the line and delete. Now if you want to draw like a line of 3 meters, just draw a line, type 3000. You see your line of 3000. See how big it is. If you want to do your offset of 150 again, just do your offset of 150. You see your 150 offset. That shows your drawing board screen is set and ready for design. Now having done that, give it a name, save it. Now before you do saving, go to your desktop, choose where to save, click on your desktop here. Now when you click on your desktop, inside this place, highlight, go scroll down to new, click on folder. It gives you a new folder. Give a new name to that folder. Maybe you can say Autocad documents. Now open this AutoCAD document. Inside AutoCAD document, you are saving this your new drawing board screen. Give a name to this drawing board screen. You can say you can use your name, like I can say I can use Dominion 01, and then click save. That's done. This is a set drawing board screen for any design that I want to do in 2D. Thank you for watching this.